Hey guys, welcome back to MS Word tutorial series. Today we are going to learn about text direction. To make a text direction in different direction, you must have that text or a paragraph as object. So let's start in action. Click on the Insert menu tab on the menu bar. Go on the right to the text box. Select the drop down in the text box. As you can see here, there is a horizontal and a vertical selection. So as of now, I'm going to select the vertical one. Come back. As you can see, the plus sign is there. So you can go to the desired place and click and drag the mouse so that a text box will appear. So let's write text direction. As you can see here, the text box itself is vertical. Let's design the text direction that we have created. So before the design, we need to see here in the menu tab that the save format didn't appear. But as soon as I go and select the text box, boom, the save format appears. So as soon as you select, go and click save format. And here is the different design that you can do for the text box. So let's go ahead and start with the text direction. So let's say if my intention is to make it horizontal, I can go and click horizontal. Or if you, let's say if I would like to start my text from down to top, then this is what you can do. As you can see here, whenever we do rotate all text 90-degree, then the text will start from top to bottom, whereas in 270-degree, it will start from bottom to top. Let's try this. Uh, as you can see here, the text direction got started from the bottom. Now let's change the color into red. So I'll go to the color section here in the text and I will change to red. So if I would like to add the color within the text box, I'll go to the save fill and let's add blue and here you go. Let's say I would like to have this paragraph in a similar text box. So it's the same way, but only the thing since you have the text already, you have to select the content that you would like to have within a box. Go to insert tab and select a text box. In the drop down, choose whatever you like. So as you can see here, it get changed into text box in a vertical one. If you don't like the rectangular text box that come by default, then you can also select the shape of your choice. For that, you can simply go to the Insert menu tab and click the shape. In the drop down, you can select the different shapes of your preference. So let's go and add the up arrow. As you can see, the plus sign is there. So I'll just go to the desired place that I want and click and drag. So to add the text on this shape, you can simply right click and select the add text. So I will type this way to success. So I would like to have this text in vertical direction. So how do I do that? It's same as we did earlier. So I'll just go to the save format and go to the direction and select the 270-degree, which will give me bottom to top. And here you go. So let's rearrange what we have done so far. To keep the desired shape, you just have to select it first and go to the text box and drag it to the desired place. Hey guys, please feel free to comment down below on what you want to learn in the next video series. And please like, subscribe, and keep loving your change. See you in the next